hashtag Healthswag came about because we realized that in order to really make a difference in our communities, we wanted to make sure that the youth who were potentially going to inherit the burden of chronic disease in those communities were aware of their power.
It's important for young people to also realize that they have the power to change their communities, that they can go to their local stores and they can ask for and literally demand that healthier choices are available in their communities.
Today we're talking about Healthswag and why it's so important for kids and youth and teens and even adults to really spread the message of health. Before this all started, we went out to every borough, we talked to teens in their youth groups and got feedback about what sort of things would make health and public health cool. Because when we talk about public health, when we talk about all these illnesses, it's really not fun. So we wanted to find a way to get youth involved in spreading health messages, and that's how we came up with the tag Healthswag. Tag means to put your name on something, to sign something, to show that you've been there. And really, we're showing that we've been there with health messaging. So what we did with the kids is we asked, what would they want? They wanted a fun event at night. They wanted something that they could do that's positive. They wanted to get involved. And they also wanted to do something that sounded neat and sounded fun.
You know, what we did was we reached out to our community-based organizations across the city, and we worked with all sorts of partners. And one of the greatest partners that came up at the very end of this process was the Alliance for a Healthier Generation. And then they decided that, yeah, let's actually make this a robust day where the youth would have an opportunity to learn the ins and outs of healthy eating and active living. They would understand more about policy and how it shapes the places that they play in and that they learn in. And then after that, let's have them go out and take action. And so this whole Tag Healthswag Day, hashtag Healthswag, is all about youth being out in their communities and actually doing what we initially thought about, actually making these changes, actually encouraging and getting businesses to say, yes, this is important to us as well. And yes, we will promote environmental change so that it's easier for New Yorkers to make a safe, healthy choice.
I felt really proud to encourage the store owners to have more healthy food.
I was like jumping up and down because it felt good that people wanted to help us. Like they wanted to help us promote healthy living and healthy eating.
It felt good that people actually cared about how kids felt for once, and you know how we can like by one little thing you can make it to a big thing, and it was like really nice how people started signing things.
Right now, we were asked to run a physical activity portion. So what we're doing is we're really trying to stimulate both the minds and bodies of these young kids out here by doing some activities that both, really get them to think about how, both skills for sport also translate into skills for life.
Anything can happen to anybody, and so many diseases can come just from not being healthy. So you want to be healthy at every chance and every possibility you have. I came here today to show that anybody can make a difference, and no matter how big or how small you are, you can change a life, you can change a lifetime, and you can definitely change your community.